Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we have something special for you, especially if you're in search of the perfect keyboard and mouse combo. We're diving into the MK960 Ergonomic wireless keyboard mouse combo by Loygeez. With its ergonomic design, versatile connectivity options, and rechargeable features, this combo has a lot to offer. So, let's get started with the review. Let's kick things off by talking about the standout feature of the MK960 combo, its ergonomic design. This wireless keyboard is thoughtfully crafted with a curved palm rest featuring a soft foam layer, a wavy surface, a split layout design, and drop-like keycaps. The result? A more comfortable typing experience, even during extended sessions. Say goodbye to worries about wrist injuries caused by long hours of typing. One of the remarkable aspects of this combo is its versatility and connectivity. It supports both Bluetooth and 2.4G USB connections, offering 2 Bluetooth channels and 1 USB connection channel. What's impressive is that it can handle up to 3 devices simultaneously, and you can effortlessly switch between them with the press of a single button. Whether you're working on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, this combo has you covered. The MK960 Ergonomic wireless keyboard-mouse combo is designed with convenience in mind. Both the keyboard and mouse are rechargeable via Type-C cables, and a single charge can last up to 2 to 3 months with daily use. What's more, these devices have intelligent power-saving functions that automatically put them to sleep after 30 minutes of inactivity, ensuring an extremely long battery life. If you're not using them, simply switch them off with the on-off switches to save power. Typing in peace is essential, and this combo delivers with its low-noise scissor switch keys that provide quiet typing and fast rebound. Whether you're in a library, cafe, or typing late at night, you won't disturb others. Now, let's talk compatibility. The MK960 wireless keyboard and mouse combo are highly versatile, compatible with Windows 8 and above, Mac, Android, and other operating systems. Whether you're using a desktop, Chromebook, PC, laptop, or phone, it's ready to serve your needs. Plus, it comes with a generous 12-month warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Even after the Amazon return period, Loygeez will provide a satisfactory solution if you contact them via their after-sales email. In conclusion, the MK960 Ergonomic wireless keyboard-mouse combo by Loygeez is a fantastic addition to your workspace. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long typing sessions, while its versatile connectivity options and rechargeable features make it a practical choice. The low-noise keys and multimedia hotkeys add to its appeal, and it's compatible with a wide range of devices and operating systems. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the UK Pro Reviewer channel for more tech reviews and updates. If you have any questions or personal experiences with this combo, feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.